Hootsuite is one of the best automation tools that will help you to keep track and manage all your social media accounts. It's also known as a social media management tool, a tool that allows you to schedule any upcoming post that you want to share on multiple social network platforms. When you do, you can monitor all the engagements you received and even respond to them instantly all through Hootsuite. So, what are the supported social network platforms? You can integrate almost all main social network accounts, namely Twitter, Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, WordPress, Instagram, YouTube, and even Pinterest. All the social network platforms mentioned can be integrated into Hootsuite. Once you integrate them, you can schedule all your upcoming content for each social network account. It will automatically be posted once it reaches the date and time you've set. This includes monitoring and streaming your activities and content. Monitoring content will allow a better understanding to your audience's engagement, thus giving you an idea of what kind of content you should be sharing next. Streaming, on the other hand, allows you to respond to your audience's comments and reactions instantly. Their responses will give you further insight on how you want to improve your content in the future. In the next module, I'll start to show you how to integrate all your accounts into Hootsuite to begin scheduling, monitoring, and streaming your content.